Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a swimming pool using Revit. Open Revit, go to Models, go to New, choose Metric Architectural Template, then press OK. Change the unit, press UN, go to Length, let's make it meter, and the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. Go to Level 1. Go to Component, Model in Place, choose Walls, then press OK. Name it whatever you want. Go to Extrusion, go to Set, let's choose Level 1, then press OK. Go to Create, OK. Let's make it 8 meter by 25 meter. Go to Offset, let's make it 30 centimeter, 0.3. From to outside, press tab to choose multiple lines, then press Escape. The extrusion end, let's make it 0.1, and the extrusion start from -3 meter, then press OK. Go to Finish, go to 3D, and here is our walls. Go to Front, also create extrusion, go to set work plane, and pick a plane, then press OK, and choose this wall, and start drawing your slope. Like I want half meter, let's go 2 meter, go to Offset, let's make it 0.2, select this line, press tab, go to Trim, choose this too, then press Finish. Go to Top, select the slope, and let's drag it from here to here, like this. This one, let's make it start from here. Go to this side, let's make it wireframe. Go to Create, Void Form, Void Extrusion, and pick line. Choose this lines and this one and this one. Go to Trim, then press Finish. Go to Top View, and let's drag it like this, and here is our model. Let's create some water. Go to Create, Extrusion, set. Let's make it the same. Go to front, pick line, go to trim, and press finish. Also trim this line, then go finish. Top view, go to material, press on this rectangle, on this square, and go to create a new material. Let's rename it water. Go replace material, let's choose this one, then press OK. Go to realistic, and here it is.